No nyende riu thathaure makiria hihi ni mutumia kuma ha hihi na iritwa nini airitwa gatagati-ini kana hihi atumia aria makiri na family na ciana na ningi kuma hau unjire andu ingi metikirite muno kugura nguo njeru mathogora manyu relatively mahana atia
nguga nguo citu oria ngugite gabere tutuma nguo cia atumia na iritu those two people no mahote gwikate kugura nguo ici na cimaiganire wega na mafeel me sawa mekirite nguo ici tondu tuthotekaga nguo ici with those two people in mind kugona tugika indo cietagwo fit sessions, design processes on our models tuhathagira andu mahana customer itu kugona moka ari ni makumenya nguo ino ndamigura ni nguo quality ni nguo well priced ni nguo dikumiona kundu kuingi so there is some uniqueness na nguo ile tutumaga
right kuma hau bwana Kihara no nyende unjire riu ndwarithie mutaratara wa guthondeka nguo ni mwagia ngora hihi muithondekaga atia na ningi turi hau no unjire horo konani na designs kana nguo cianyu hihi muthondeka kuma na meciria kana muthia handu mokai idea handu kana hau agithiaga atia
nguo ici ri no ciekirwo at different times so ntokona nguo cia workwear mundu agithie wira ndikona nguo casuals nguo twathi party handu no athie gogo no athie hiki handu koguo ni nguo ngiota gwikira in different setups ono giwa ni enda guthie beach no we shifone mwe haria umekire iguru na ni uguko wi sawa nguo citu ri twagura ngora ri ni ithu tu designaga twina a design department andu aya makama they always come up with the concepts and then mageka kindu gitagwo fit sessions with different models and then twina andu maitagwo buyers na merchandisers magoka maka present wo reda twina nguo eno mundu wa baya kauga ni ngugura nguo eno koguo ri makarora ni fabricator kwetu tumirite and then the price point ni riko quality ni hana atia what is the fit and then what is the customer that we're looking at once to farm poguo tugathi kindu gitagwo mass production ni kitu ina factory ino tondu nguo citu ciothe 95% tutumaga nithu tutumagira so order yako is placed and then tugathi the next stage of production where we start with cutting no maka tukate tutinie fabriceo and then there's another stage called bundling after bundling tugathi sewing so that is in the factory after sewing then tugathi kido gitako trimming and then after trimming tugathi kido gitako pressing kugura fathi and then after pressing then tugathi tuwekera tag uga no gune ya vivo na tag na washing care umfatire kumithambia tia moru tamasio and then tugekera label nayo ni ya kuga the name of the product it has the barcode so tugithia ha duka-ini ri no scan maguscan tondu ina barcode
very good hari mundu ungi nake bwana Kihara unjiriria ati mukoragwo na nduka cianyu na no inyu mukiendagiria nguo cianyu riu no nyende undarerie tondu hari mundu ungienda gukorwo na nguo athi hihi ahingure nduka yake ya boutique na abatare mu supply nguo hihi ni muri mubango tocio kana nguo cianyu purely ni inyu mwiendagiria
thaici haria turiri nguo citu ciothe ni ithu twendagiria no mwaka uyu roka ri ntro twina goal tutigota gukwo twi all over Kenya all in all areas in Kenya koguo ri our business development department ni marawa wa tugi incorporate wholesale selling to vendors who are willing to stock our products koguo kwanzia next year ntokota ntro hocio ya tuoneka ntokota ku partner with some specific boutiques brands that can stock our products
good kuma hau bwana Kihara no nyende unjire kambuni ya Vivo ni mureciria ku expand kana kumitheremia makiria na turi hau no wega unjire hihi ni amureciria kunyitanira nao nigetha mukorwo mukigia na mayo na megutha makuhota gukinyukithia makinya macio make
no juge twina very big goals mwaka uyu roka 2023 na Trona Equity as a very solid partner where tukuhuthira nigetha matotithie gukinya ikinya riu ringi koguo next year ndirenda kuhingura duka cigana ona ta duka ta 10 uguo across different regions in Kenya, and also mwaka uyu ungi ndirenda guthii also in other countries like Uganda, Tanzania, na nigetha gutohotithia gwika maundu macio mothe ri ndofatara working capital, and twajitie discussions with Equity Bank nigetha makam through nigetha matohote guto support na kuigura some of the stores, na kindu kingi ni ati tondu ntraigura matuka maigire nitufataire ku expand our production facility koguo ni tragiria kwarie nao nigetha mahote gututeithia gwika kindu gitagwo asset finance for the sewing machines tondu ntrafatara kugura machine cigana ona, na pia with increased production capacity, then it also translates into a need of more raw materials. Koguo ri no makatwe the partners agi China na Mauritius aria makota ku demand ito ya fabrics, elastics and threads and all that. So fabric no Equity now ni kota gututeithia to achieve that goal through extending our letter of credit. Kwa jia next year ntuko kota he modu trali na do Equity matuteithie wika uko twina insurance ya as agents na kido gitagwo IPF, insurance premium finance, tondu tuko twina machine nyingi ando igi twina wiba twina maundu maingi koguo na insurance ri no guthii kwao mato to discuss mato guteithania nigetha tuhote gukinya the next level.
Very good. Na kiamuthe ntondu wa maira no nyende ujire mundu angenda kwandikwo thiini wa kambuni ya Vivo arabatara gukorwo athomeire kothi iriku kana hihi ndirakibatara kuma kuria nguma ajuke nyandikwo nyambie gutuma nguo?
Vivo igiuga it's one of the best employers in this country. Koguo mundu enda kuruta wira Vivo, especially gutuma nguo, which a lot of my colleagues matuma nguo, a lot of my friends tuge no makoko ina experience ya gutuma nguo no makaudhiete TVET, at least you have a basic understanding how to nguo, and then oka goko ri twina you're going ni ukota guthomithio uria tutuma nguo citu koguo tutingiuga ati the experience that you have is basic. Koguo woka goko tugufundithia where itago product handling, how to handle the different fabrics, and then after that then ni uko we sawa ni kota gutuma nguo citu na quality ya trader na quality ya customer itu arenda tondu maundu mothe twikaga ni maundu mothe tugimeka ri twikaga with the customer in mind.
Very good. Asante sana muthuri Tikihara onoko no ari githuku kingi muno no wega ningugucuka kuria andu amya kuria nyire ndimere githuku giaku nikijukira gikuyu no ni ngatho cia mwanya. Asante sana mirori ngwicia no akaigua rugano rwa kambuni ya Vivo haria makiumite uria mokite mathiete na riu no akimenya kuria ungigera matonyo makwihumba ugithie maruga riu mutikangiege kunjuria ati riria urathio hiki ukubatara kugwira nguo ku riu no akiona Kihara hau riria muragithie ndachini mathaini ma hwaini kwi nguo cia kuku andu a office ona andu a mawira matiganite Kihara njira nguo icio ciothe makiri nacio. Asante sana aikaria guku mwena wa Baba Ndogo mutongoretio ni my friend wetagwo Danieli ne pilot wa ngari odo mwena another brother ogwitwo Githoi ni amekwa mukira ngeithi tucamania kiumia giukite ta mitambo-ini ya Inoro TV egwiraga ndi mwonjire na bemwe ng'ang'a wa Njoroge na thutha wako nirona kwina mashabiki maingi muno odo mwe na atumi a nguo ona makiamukira ngeithi ndari mandumire kamwe nigetha ngigia na matonyo ma wira tucamania kiumia giukite ngatho.
Niaje? Ni kama unashangaa kwa nini naangalia simu with so much focus, eh? Usishangae sana. Nimekuwa ndani ya story kabisa. Ni kama ile hali ya juzi. Ni kama nilikuwa hapo iki happen. And when this new market was being opened, ni kama nilikuwa hapo tu. Hata vile local tourists for a special rate at the coast, I was there. And when this new road was being commissioned, I was right there. Na hata wewe, unaweza kuwa ndani ya story wherever you are. Just download Citizen Digital.
Stay informed on all the news and events as they happen across the country, the continent, and the world at large. Download Citizen Digital, Kenya's #1 news app.
Niliacha nimu akitusumbua akipata 30% max. Nani amefunza mtoto mdogo kuibia mpaka anapata 90?
Hatuko mahali ulituacha kama sikio. Tulishagundua siri. Ni tamu.
Kwani unga imepika hiyo ugali imewekwa nini? Imagine imenichangamsha mwili mpaka akili.
Unga wa Bingwa Premium ndio siri.
Dad, tangu tuanze kupika unga wa Bingwa Premium, mimi na bro tumekuwa mabingwa kwa njia zote. Bingwa ni tamu, siri ya mabingwa.
Bingwa Premium Maize Meal kutoka Graden Millers Limited. Watengenezaji wa unga wa mahindi wa Wema na Bingwa ngano. Bingwa Premium Maize Meal, siri ya mabingwa wote.
Wakenya wengi wanaendelea kushiriki na kushinda $300,000 kwenye Shabiki Major Leagues Jackpot.
Mimi naitwa Bramwell George Kitai kutoka Nakuru. Nilijaribu kucheza hii mchezo wa Shabiki na nimeshinda shilingi 1,300. Watu wote wenye mnasikiza kwa radio ama mnaona kwa TV, mjaribu hii mchezo wa Shabiki, mjue watu wa Shabiki ni watu wa ukweli. Mimi ni shabiki, je wewe?
Kuwa mmoja wao. Cheza Major Leagues Jackpot kwa shilingi 10 pekee kwa kutuma neno MJP kwa 29063 na waweza kuwa mshindi. Shabiki Major Leagues Jackpot, the easiest jackpot in Kenya. Not for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 416. Shabiki.com.
Danbill! Huyu akenetio ni ndui. Niki?
Tukiaria uhoro wa kwiyenda ri, angikorwo ni kwenda mundu ucio ngiri, njagiriire kwiyenda.
Wetekera guthio hiki ucio niki?
Tondu hiki ucio ni turathi.
Mami weka yotana igwa maundu maria mothe uga iguru ria Prita. Tutiguthio hiki.
Dettol Bar Soap. It cleans and protects from up to 100 illness-causing germs. So no matter what type of mum you are, trust Dettol.
Dettol celebrates Global Hand Washing Day.
Shesheni ya Inoro TV.